Okay, look, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some small bowls. We're going to combine flour, salt, and baking soda. Then after that, we're going to mix it all up. I would suggest using a whisk, but you know what? You got a fork. Now you want to get yourself a larger bowl. You want to add granulated sugar, brown sugar, and alcohol. And then listen, you want to put your 2 sticks of butter. There's one thing I want to say about the butter is this one, when you soft, not melted, but soft. And then what you want to do is you want to mix them together until it becomes creamy. Creamy texture, then you want to start adding the eggs. We're going to add them one at a time. This will be mix it well. You want to make sure you thoroughly mix them together. Adding the 2 eggs to our mixture. When we're done with that, let's mix very well. Then we're going to start gradually introducing the flour mixture. Listen, you want to introduce, want to do it in increments. So you just add a little bit here, mix it up, and then once all of the flour and all of that is mixed in, then you want to add a little bit more. You're going to repeat that process until all of your flour is added to your mixture and you're done. Once you're done adding all your flour and you got the mixture, to start to resemble, like cookie dough. Then what you're going to do is just add chocolate chips also mix them up. I like to hold some back. I can't even tell you how much I hold back. But small hands here. That's why after I make my pop, once I spread cookie dough inside of the skillet, just a few on top. Time to go ahead and preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Here, I just use some non-stick spray oil. I grease the pan. I had both I had two sides, 12 inch skillet. So here, this is all we're doing right now. Adding the cookie dough instead of making individual. Remember earlier I was talking about holding some of the chocolate chip morsels back. And this is what I was talking about right here. Telltale sign is look at the edge of your cookies, and if your cookies are that golden brown on the edge, then you know that they're ready. And then just go ahead and bring them out. You want to let them cool, and then you can go ahead and top them with ice cream. If you're doing a paizuki, listen, you got to put a scoop of ice cream on the top. Outside of that, y'all, look at that right there. That right there.